Now we can see the finishes that can be applied. We divide the wall into 4 parts to see the 4 different possibilities.
E vediamo le 4 diverse possibilità.
So, here we leave it natural.
Così vediamo le sue prestazioni.
Here we use savon d'eau. We apply it with a sponge, an absolutely natural product, a Marcel soap only. We use just a small quantity. This product gives a completely transparent coat, slightly shiny, but above all, it's very pleasant to the touch.
Questo dà una copertura, un riempimento totalmente trasparente, una leggera lucidità, ma soprattutto è piacevolissima al tatto.
Here's MURO NATURALE, absorbing the right amount of soap needed as a barrier against possible stains, dirt or water.
Una barriera a eventuali macchie o sporcizia o un po' d'acqua che dovesse andargli sopra.
It smells so clean. This cleaning operation makes the wall even more shiny. It's done when the soap is dry, and it also provides good water repellency. The second possible finish is Cera del Vecchio, which has the same natural features, but also greater protective capacity, and it's more shiny.
Ma ha una maggiore capacità protettiva e lucida.
Let's watch Andrea. We always apply just a bit. There's no need to abound with it, as the product is absorbing. Very easy. Now another coat. Cera is more shiny, more water repellent and absolutely natural. If you need a real water protection for a shower, a kitchen, then we'll use vetro.
Una doccia, una cucina, allora dobbiamo ricorrere a vetro.
In this case diluted in 8 parts of water and 2 parts of vetro for the first coat, because it's a highly absorbing product. Here the product is completely absorbed, and it acts as a protection for the following application of vetro.
Applicazione di vetro.
Now we're ready to apply a coat of pure vetro and see the final effect of this finish.
E vedere l'effetto finale anche di questa finitura.
We see it doesn't absorb any longer because there's already an isolation coat.
Preventiva di isolamento.
So we put vetro on MURO NATURALE only when it's really necessary, because it loses its natural features. Vetro is a transparent resin, and this ensures total resistance to water.
Trasparente. E questa dà garanzie di totale resistenza ad acqua e a qualsiasi altro agente.
Whereas here we have cera, which is a natural product, beeswax mixed with soaps, which has a very good water repellence. But we see there's a small absorption, therefore it's not recommended for a shower enclosure.
Qualche piccolo assorbimento, quindi sicuramente non è consigliabile se dobbiamo fare un box doccia.
Moving further on, we have here savon d'eau, which is also natural, with more absorption and minor shininess.
Qualche assorbimento in più, ma abbiamo un pochino di lucidità in meno, quindi la variabile è in questo senso.
Finally, we have MURO NATURALE. Here it is. We dampen it and we see full absorption because the product transpires completely, providing a naturalness guarantee.
Abbiamo un prodotto che traspira completamente. Questo dà la garanzia della naturalità.
So we have this product, MURO NATURALE, which has different performances depending on the protection we wish to apply.
Ma ha diverse prestazioni in base alla protezione che noi gli diamo.
So have a good MURO NATURALE to all.